So let me make a mention for bail 438 or 439, which relates to this bench as per the roster. All are allowed, and only thing is that you will have to write down that this case pertains to above 7 years. Otherwise, what we have seen is mention is made before this court, and we allow it, and we don't expect, and it is listed in other bench. It relates to other benches. So if that is done, that lawyer will have no favor in this court. As simple as that. Don't mislead this court, and don't take advantage of the court that we are without looking into bail we are allowing. So you will have to make a specific mention with the signature of the lawyer in the mention memo that it pertains to 7 or above 7 years as per roster, whatever is written in the. Otherwise not. Bail all allowed. And so far relating to criminal petition, it will go to the senior bench. Criminal petition, revision, appeal, it will go to the. Yes.
Mention for
May I please, Your Honor, regarding item number 59, your lordship, sorry. May I please, your lordship, regarding item number 59, your lordship, as the CD was called for along with the post-mortem report, the both have not been received yet. 59.
59. Interim of offer is open.
9. Interim of 9.
Yes.
Lordship,
When?
can it be on 18?
18. As CD and post report all for public. Please, as the case diary and the postmortem report as called for are not received. Matter stands adjourned and be listed on
18 of October.
18th of October for production of the
Deeply appreciated.
I beg to mention item number 13, lordship, 1-3.
Yes.
I want to withdraw it, lordship, with liberty to file a press. There is some error, lordship, in our petition.
Okay. It is submitted that 13. There is some error in filing the petition. Accordingly, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw the present application and with a liberty to file application. Prayer is allowed. Accordingly, the present petition is closed with a liberty application.
Okay. Item number 44, madam. Learned counsel is uncommon submit R statement, madam. The matter may come after petition, madam. Just the petition.
Otherwise, CD is available.
After vacation, we can approve it. We can adjourn for a today or for
Can it be on Friday, madam?
not Friday, Thursday.
Fine.
Will you be back in Thursday?
Yes.
Madam, madam.
Thursday.
Lordship, there is an interim order.
Please, this matter on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petition, adjourn, return for CDB retained. 12.
Lordship, there is an interim order.
Interim order to purchase.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. With due consent from the letter, matter may be adjourned for the day.
Item number?
31.
Answer was called for.
Wait, we'll see what happens. Huh? We'll adjourn, make a mention when matter is.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42, your lordship. CD was called for, your lordship, on 29th of September, but according to the office note, it's not reached till yet, your lordship. Persist the PS case, your lordship. Any date this week, your lordship. 439 application, your lordship.
What is the offense?
Lordship,
What are the offenses?
offenses, your lordship, under
376.
376, your lordship.
Okay.
Date of forwarding is 16/9.
You want to adjourn?
Let it be on 16, not 16 or 17.
17.
Persist the PS case, your lordship.
17.
17. Obligatory.
May I please, your lordship, this is a mention for withdrawal
Which one?
or AD man.
Listing.
Now withdrawal
Which item?
No, this is not.
That is what I'm saying, listing for withdrawal.
Yeah.
Listing for.
Tomorrow, man. Obla.
Your problem.
Wait, please, your lord.
Yes.
My lord, FIR was registered under sector 302, my lord.
How many days you are
My
behind?
lord, in 15
14
days.
days, 14 days as on today.
Have you seen?
Yes,
You have seen the other thing
yes.
and your statement that paragraph.
My statement has not been, my lord. My case is that this is the case of suicide, my lord. Because he
No,
was,
this is a case of suicide, you understand, but
Yeah.
suicide, you may compel her to.
no, my lord, because I have annexed this chatting of, my lord, WhatsApp, my lord. And she was caught, my lord. This is at page 20, my lord.
No, that we know, we have already talked with PP.
Yes.
That is what I was asking. He
Yes.
said I have seen that.
Yes.
You must understand what we are saying about what. I asked her, have you seen it? She said yes. She also know what I have asked. I also got the answer. What to do?
Lordship, kindly give us a short date, we can further
Okay.
check it.
Six one.
Yes, Dr. is from Kamrup Metro. Can it be on Lordship 16? Yes.
One more thing, lord. That extract of one GDNT, because earlier to this incident, she was missing for 2-3 days, my lord. And that was,
Oh, not necessary.
my lord, otherwise, I can place my case, my lord, on that day.
You place it. You make a submission that earlier there was a thing.
No,
Mr.
no,
Sahu,
I have
Mr.
submitted.
Sahu on 16 come back to this. We are supposed to allow 2 days
My lord,
itself.
and
She wants a short date, that's why. Why are you arguing?
most of like.
We have seen everything.
Wait, Lord.
Here we will call for the case.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Terga Gulaga district.
On Lordship, whether it can be on 7th of April, November.
Lordship, can it be before vacation, Lordship?
I don't have any problem. You can have it if not there.
Even then it
This
will be 1
is,
month.
this is,
Lordship,
this
about
is
1
not
month.
a case to give straight away of it. We need to look into that. So up to you. If you want a week before vacation,
Yes,
take it.
possible before vacation.
On
Lordship.
19th, no.
On
Like,
it. Yes, Munir. Sidi.
Before vacation. Because
That you convinced, madam. I don't have, if you give me 100 meters,
On
I don't
19th.
have any problem.
16.
No, no. That's बहुत matter. 18th.
Much obliged, your lord. Much.
Report settlement verification. The petitioner who was dated 18/8/23.
Whether girl is
51
recovered.
days.
Huh?
51 days.
No, we understand that. Where is the FIR?
After this, the 8.
Okay. Allowed. Huh? Considering the period of detention and the fact that the alleged stolen mobile has already been recovered and the petitioner was thoroughly interrogated during his 3 days police custody, allowed to the satisfaction of
CGM.
CGM.
May I please, Lord? 2 days I am in custody there as on today, Lordship.
How many days?
2 days.
You are accused number 1. You are the main man.
Yes, schedule. will
Others
require.
are granted.
Yes,
You
Lord.
are the main man. Others' names are though given. There is no allegation whisper against them. And therefore court has granted
Yes.
them with. Yes,
He's the prime accused,
the
Lordship.
prime. Prime.
On 18th.
Obliged.
Yeah.
For the application Lordship, arrest on Lordship 13/8/2023. Today is 58 days of past.
Where is the FIR? You say
That's
days. Say us the what is the allegation?
Allegation Lordship 306 Lordship. FIR address 7 Lordship.
To the satisfaction of To the satisfaction of
58 days, Lord.
Huh?
58 days, Lord.
CJM Bongaigaon
CJM
Lordship.
Bongaigaon, Lord.
considering the period of detention
We have to Lordship. My Lord,
and the
Dispute-
nature of it.
my Lord, dispute between brother and my Lord, sister, my Lord, and affair case 11, my Lord. My Lord, 326. My Lord. There, my Lord, but my Lord, no such injury because dispute between brother and sister.
But there are serious allegation of serious and admitted in hospital at Guwahati.
Corporation with the
Still undergoing treatment.
Yes.
CT and injury
injury
report
report of it. On 18 of
on 18.
I love this. Everywhere. So if the case.
Ah. This is BA. What about others?
Others are not arrested. He is only arrested.
No, about the other party. You have also lodged an FIR.
Yes, sir.
They are also injured.
And I have been told that from one man from their side has expired after filing of his bail application has been used.
So
I
again,
think 302 will be added. Case diary, Lordship.
their FIR is the subsequent FIR of it.
And not the next day.
CD
Lordship.
Lordship.
there was a fight between two
Between them,
groups,
admittedly,
but
yes.
they also lodged an FIR. Let us see.
Both
Bring
sides
both
sustained
the
injuries.
case
Sir.
diaries. What is the other case?
Other case, Lordship. I have an
Petition application under 2020 linked, a cross case being
Dolphin
317.
PS 317.
317 2023.
has also been filed by the informant by the accused side of from the side of the accused.
This petitioner he himself is the informant.
By the FIR has also been filed by the present petitioner. Present petitioner, and admittedly there was a fight between two groups. Considering the above, call for the case diary of both the police station being so and so and so. Present it.
1810.
1810. I have it.
Yes.
After maintaining love relation, now refuse the marriage.
Uh, refuse to maybe understand, but there are some other
Yes.
allegations.
313 is there, Lord.
P13 also, even if we may not give such. Okay, to the satisfaction of
Lord,
CGM Lakhimpur, considering the period of detention and nature of allegation.
Public.
Please allow. Your Lordship, may we please take up the matter of Mr. Mishita says.
Why you need visitor? Tell us the purpose.
Because he's the senior engaged in the case, that is the reason.
We'll record his name.
Otherwise,
Will satisfy us. Why should we grant you interim?
my lord, this is the second application before my lord. If your lordship remembers that Mathua episode, Mathua matter. 376D was not there. Only your lordship wanted that at this stage. So
How many days you are inside?
after
How many days?
35.
I have seen the CD.
Deeply obliged.
To the CGM,
CJM Kamru
will
Metro.
record your name or any difficulty on that.
No, I don't have any.
Huh?
difficulty. But
There may be some difficulty.
please,
Okay. He's here.
he's here.
We see that. Assisted by
CGM Kamrup Metro.
CGM Kamrup.
Deeply obliged.
Period of detention. Huh?
FIR in page number 12.
He has lost this FIR
No.
to protect herself from her husband.
No.
These two are her husband's friend.
No.
Husband engaged them as his CID.
Okay.
But since they have also allegation of threatening of this, that's why initially we have not done.
Lord.
It was too early to grant.
Yes.
Yes.
Accused is behind the bar for 50 days.
So you be there.
FIR is in page number 12.
Tell that. Where is the FIR?
Case number 12.
Whether recovered.
That will have to say that.
Now, she's 19 years, he's 22 years.
Yes.
Have a instruction at two.
Yes,
At two.
yes.
Next, if it is second time bail application, Lordship, your Lordship earlier rejected him. FIR is 86.
No new ground.
You found
New ground is that your father is suffering.
this time perhaps Lordship investigation.
This is not a case for grant of pre-arrest.
There is some misunderstanding between them, Lordship. That we also tried, Lordship.
Case diary after vacation.
Not
Go to you for your satisfaction. Otherwise, I would have dismissed it today. itself. I remember everything what was in the script. Yes,
eight
after
eleven,
vacation.
811.
Yes.
This 9 is there, sir.
Huh?
This 9.
It will be returned.
I'll bring him interim.
Not,
I have doubt on my because the allegation itself.
not,
There might be some program. We'll see. Let him go and make
Not
it.
sir.
Where is the card?
Lordship, she recovered.
It was recovered. From whom? Whose position?
Lordship, from his
What is
relative.
your case? Tell us.
Lordship, actually, I did not kidnap her.
You are the auto driver.
No,
No,
Lordship, I am the grocery store owner.
Ah.
The Jahal is up with another one.
Okay.
And on that ground,
She low.
Yes.
And she was a dancer.
maybe the
What maybe? That is the allegation. Have you not read the FIR? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, city interim.
And-
Give your statement. Statement within 10 days.
on 1511. Lord.
Consider in the statement that the card has been recovered from the possession of some other person not of the petition. And also considering the nature of the allegation. As an interim measure. Yes, next.
bad Lordship.
Ah,
Allegation Lordship 457 and 76 Lordship. FIR access 7.
city interim
Yes.
statement. Give your statement within 10 days. Give this after vacation.
Yes, sir. On 1611. Lord.
1611.
Make digital lordship.
Yes,
Page 9 is the FIR man.
we'll all for the case diary.
Yes,
What is the FIR?
Page 9 man.
page 9 is there. Sir.
Yes, allegation. And they are lost their mother and father. I will not believe that her mother was killed. To that extent, we will not go. But there is a probability that you are
Only
pressurizing
prayer man.
for the purpose of the 30 bighas
Yes.
of land. 3 girls helpless, 2 girls helpless girls.
Yes,
No, along with a medical report, man. It will prove man that whether the allegation that no.
That's correct, but advise your client. Advise your client. We may ask him to, in anticipatory bail, to surrender. This is not done.
Hmm.
Both these 2 girls lost their mother and
Yeah.
father. Maybe you may not kill her. That may be a different episode altogether. But you cannot take recourse to force them to have their property in you. Advise your client. The moment we see all those, we may reject them. And we'll ask you to surrender. so that her property is protected.
Obliged, my
CD, when?
Before vacation,
Of course, be possible before vacation because he's if he's not at all
18
involved, then we'll protect him
18.
Along with a medical report.
along with the meeting. Then it will be delayed. We'll see her statement.
18. 1810.
Again, they will say medical report is not.
Hmm.
Generally, it should be in the case diary
Hmm.
along with the medical report.
Obliged, my.
Criminal.
Yep, it's your lordship. So,
Yes.
Criminal evidence petition, apparent page number 15, lord.
This was already. This is not a motion. I think
Yes, lordship.
this should be an admission.
Yes.
Case diary was called.
Lordship,
Earlier dated,
This is a chimma.
Gilmore regarding your
What
And
is the
vehicle.
chimma?
vehicle registration number.
What is the truck? A truck.
Yes, truck, lordship. A01 PC 2157.
after some time, Lordship. Since
Huh?
it has come in the motion column, so might be my
Huh.
file is missing.
Okay.
After some
Okay. Or will otherwise we'll call for a report from
report from the,
Uh-huh.
yes,
the report from the IO.
yes, regarding the.
The you see it. If CD has come, no report is
Yes,
required. If
yes.
CD has not come, then we'll say
Yes.
in terms of order dated 25/9/2023,
Lordship.
CD be produced, give a date before vacation,
Lord.
along with a report from the IO.
Lord.
Okay.
Yes.
If CD is not there,
Yes.
that will be the order.
Yes.
12.
You are happy with that? Okay.
Okay.
I think 12. I think no, no, I think part of it.
The case that we
12,
call
12,
for.
12 AM, lordship, today itself.
What about that?
Oh, we cannot fix at 12 a.m. It's
No,
not
no,
like that. Don't think that giving indulgence will go to that extent.
2 PM.
Let us see, Lordship, if it is available.
It's available, see, otherwise that order will pass.
Yes.
That order will pass.
One create- create this today.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the conductive council is in his native place for some
Click it on.
personal work, and the brief is with him. So
Item number
17.
17, Lordship.
your name is there.
No lordship.
Whose names are there?
M. Hawk,
Item number
17.
Okay.
what is your name?
Munawar Ahmed Chaudhary.
R.A. Chaudhary is present
17.
in High Court today. What to do? When?
He is in, I guess, Lord.
You want a timing?
Yes,
Oh, timing. Okay.
Pending
for tomorrow,
for the day, Lord.
for the day,
Not for the day, Thursday.
Thursday.
You cannot list like that tomorrow, pardoning the regime.
12:10.
We are thinking of issuing notice, calling for the record and
Yes.
saying
Yes,
the senior is not there, R.A. Chaudhary is not there. How can we pass?
yes. sir.
Well, in this case, senior counsel, Mr. K.N. Chaudhary will appear, well, he is in like court number 1,
Passing of affair.
lordship.
Why you need Mr. K. Chaudhary for dismissal?
After some time,
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I'm making a prayer on behalf of senior counsel Mr. D. Das. Your lordship, we have been newly engaged in this matter for responding.
When? Can tell
It
us.
can be taken on Wednesday if it is not inconvenient. to you.
Wednesday.
well, it is for motion.
Motion, so what? So we will not hear them without issuing notice. So we'll issue a notice. Hard Mr.
No, well,
Issue notice, returnable forfeit. So then it will come in admission column, returnable on,
for motion
Immediate.
on next date, my lord.
returnable on Thursday. Returnable on 12th of October 2023. The respondent number 1 is represented by Madam, and it is submitted at respondent number 2.
Sure.
Respondent number
Yes, sir.
2. That respondent number 2 has engaged senior counsel Mr. D. Das to argue on her behalf. Accordingly, service is complete. Please this matter on Thursday in the admission.
Deeply.
We'll decide on that day. They are
Okay.
here.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, it's a washing of an Lordship as well as.
Let us do it day after tomorrow, Wednesday. You are for Mr. Potter,
Phone number 3.
who said informant.
Yes.
That lawyer,
Father of the DCP.
father of that is, you don't have any problem. But can you give a consent on behalf of a minor in respect of law?
No, my lord, already they have filed the FIR consent before it, because she has already expired. She is no longer.
Is no longer. So
Still
there
on
are some
registration.
minor issues are there according to me.
With
Or
20
for you, it may be very simple.
23 may not come, my lord. 23 cannot come because the plain reading of the section. I am reading an FIR, because 23 of the first point. If I had the knowledge. About
So
the-
that's why
the-
let us take up it on Wednesday.
Can it be on Thursday?
Thursday we fix our other matters. No? And you have any problem? Okay, we'll see you on Thursday.
On 12/10.
May I please, Your Lord? Lordship will find FIR as page 9, my lord. We are not FIR application, my lord. 430 application.
Then why are you apprehending?
My lord, initially, my lord, we were, they found that some telephonic connection. I'm the priest.
Because I am worried. Why are you?
Then we're entering granted, we have released my lord. Then my lord, again, 1st September 2023, due to only that we are not cooperating that police. This is not to me, not we are cooperating with the authority. I am the priest and the respondent number.
So they will not arrest you if you are cooperating.
But in the order it is stated we are not cooperating, my lord. So we are good. And my lord, petition
Now
number-
kindly come to
Yes, my lord.
your statement
Page-
at paragraph 6.
Yes, my lord.
Kindly read from on the way. Starts with that paragraph 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th line. On last
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, my lord.
on the way.
On the way.
On the way, prisoner one stopped his motorcycle to see the deceased. The victim was loitering on the road, and at that time she was hit over by the vehicle in a hit and run case, where the vehicle causing the incident fled expeditiously in the dark hours of the night, and the prisoner one was made.
So according to you, both of you were there. She was riding your bike. You went for a nurse's call.
My lord.
And then she was loitering near the bike. She was hit by a vehicle. She died, and you have not informed anybody.
Still admitted to medical.
Where is the FIR? Where is the statement there? Immediately inform of you have taken to her hospital.
Yes.
Where is that?
First, it will be in the report.
No, this is not a case for interim.
My lord, petition number 2. I am nothing. I am nowhere connected. I am just
No,
studying law.
we understand. Answer me there.
Yes.
If a person is with you
Mm.
in your bike,
Yes.
you stop the bike and go near, and you come and see that she has been
Heated by.
killed by hit by a vehicle.
Yes.
What is your responsibility?
My lord,
To inform to her family,
Yes.
or to
Fine.
nearest police station, or take her to the hospital.
Hmm.
None of the above you have done. And whereas she was having in her possession from gold to cash.
this is the allegation against petition number 1. Petition number 2. I am the brother-in-law retired army personnel. My lord.
Maybe.
Petition
maybe.
2, my lord. I am paying petition number 2, my lord. And this, I am no connected. I am just brother-in-law.
CD.
On 19.
I was surprised you were looking at this statement.
Yes.
An accident almost took place in front of you.
During his presence.
She died and she was found later on by somebody else, taken to the hospital. And what about that money and jewelry?
Yes. They could have
Serious
informed
doubt. Yes.
Obliged.
on 1910 or
Obliged. May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, there is in page number 9, your lordship. The allegations are about fake currency. I'm
Take currency and anticipatory bail.
anticipating.
Huh?
Not anticipating.
Acha, bail application.
Behind the bar, lordship, I'm 75 days behind the bar.
What is the maximum period? In currency, 90 days.
20 days.
Yes, Burwa. What is his role?
My
Your name is Imdadud
Rupula.
Rubul Ali.
My wife is also pregnant.
Now PP will help you.
Here is 75 days. While considering the length of detention.
Involvement is there, Rohit.
Huh?
He's connected with the main accused person, Rohit.
He is connected with the main accused, but not directly involved.
No, not directly involved, Rohit. And the FSL report of the fake currency, Rohit, that has been, the examination has been found to be fake currency.
So I think you have examined it,
Yes.
interrogated him. No need to.
Interrogated him, my lord, that I leave it to your Rohit. Today is 77 days.
Peruse the case diary produced by the learned additional public prosecutor, which reflect that the petitioner is not directly involved, though he is a part of a racket. This court has also considered that the petitioner has been under custody for last 75 days, and the investigation is almost at the investigation is at a very advanced stage, and FSL report regarding the fake currency notes has also come. Considering the matter in entirety, its court is of the view that no further custody is required. Accordingly, to the satisfaction of
CCM Kamrup.
CCM Metro.
Okay, there is one item number, Rohit, item number 39.
Hmm.
The accused person is same, PSK is also same, Rohit. Whether two bail application,
Yes, yes,
that may be 39.
yes. How can you file two bail applications?
The PSK is to same than like the FTF 9.
There are also more Rubul and Adar. He had the other main accused is there, I think.
Rubul and Imdadud Rahman.
But Rubul Ali also there, Rohit. He has
Rubul.
to- but the-
Yes, he has also filed Rubul Ali.
So this is the STFPS case number 09/2020.
And your case?
Kumar, ये तो 9 है. The item number 32.
FIR dated in your case, FIR dated.
24 July 2020.
Arrested on 25/7.
Same affair.
Same FIR.
Here wife has time.
Then
Here wife has time.
where wife is?
Here how many people? One page. Wife has time. Wife.
And in your case,
In my case, your lordship.
let this matter be called together when 39 is called. How it- This is item number 33. We will take up at 30 along with 30. Huh?
Yes, friend and relative. Friend.
May I please your case? Can copy has been called for?
Yes, and that is received.
My lord, we have to go through, my lord, today.
Okay, okay. The case scan copies called for has been received. Full stop. The learned additional public prosecutor, Mr. Borua, submits that he may be granted some time to go through the state scans copies. First to assist this court.
So that was Thursday, Lord.
Thursday, I think too many matters.
Then any date, Lord.
Wednesday.
My lord.
Case diary was also.
My lord, Thursday submitted, Lord.
Thursday submitted.
My lord.
Okay. It is submitted by the learned additional public prosecutor, Mr. Purva, that search sheet being
Section number 411, public 2023, dated 3/10/2023.
T10/2020.
Lordship grant the bill considering the length of the 44 days. Otherwise, it is session tribal case, Lordship. Which is Lordship will be filed in a judicial mistake first class, Lordship. And it will commit, Lordship, it will take time, Lordship. Please keep, Lordship.
So without looking at to what are your
But condition, Lordship, will appear, Lordship. Now, only thing is that will appear in the trial, Lordship. It is 399, Lordship, that they.
we provide that you approach the session just for everyone. You can approach. Where is the problem?
No, that's not a problem, Lordship, because Lordship will initially come in the judicial mistake first class court, Lordship. Then it will.
You approach the, we are providing it, the sessions tribal,
Yes,
you
Lord.
apply to the session. Session will call, then everything will be expedited, isn't it?
Lord. Much obliged.
And then if it is not given, we'll see the what are the heavy materials against people.
Much obliged.
Because otherwise we without the materials on the basis of which they have charge sheeted you. That is not before.
Much obliged. Your
Yes,
If there is, nobody has replied.
Novodaya's receipt might have been granted. What is the
The allegations are serious, Lordship.
very serious?
Victim girl is yet to recover. It is the matter of I'm opposing only for.
No. We are all serious about all these
Otherwise,
offenses.
61 days.
This
also.
trafficking of girls and ladies to Rajasthan and Haryana, we are not taking it like.
Let him appear.
We'll wait for some time, or otherwise we'll dismiss on merit. Yes, 302.
37 was the case that is not received.
But
today is 46 days in custody. And
we understand, be there for some time. You killed a person.
No, my lord, we are not many.
Who are you?
We are the brother and mother of the many.
You are the brother and mother of the.
Many.
That is the specific allegation against you. Demand of dowry, physical assault.
It's the allegation matter. Particular FIR at the 11 matter.
Postmortem report will be required.
So that will be on Monday, Lordship, like 16th, right?
Month
16 or 17, anything.
16. Yes, there is not because specific allegation is of murder, not that suicide. If it would have been that suicide, then it would have considered.
My lord, kindly pass over the matter for time being, my lord. 28.
It is
My lord, the case that he received, Lordship, my lord, but there is no such specific allegation. Only my lord on the basis of some my lord local what is witnesses that he has been arrested, my lord, and
72 days.
72 days, Lordship. No direct allegation is not that. 164 statement of also recorded, Lordship, and there are some eyewitnesses.
Hmm.
They have implicated some other person, Lordship,
not him.
not assaulted, not him. Lordship. Police arrested on suspicion, Lordship.
They call for it. Mr. Perus the same. Considering the statement of the eyewitnesses, also here once the statement of the eyewitness is recorded by the IU as well as their statement recorded under 1 4, it's put of the view that the further custodian with interrogation shall not be necessary. According to that allowed. To the satisfaction of
CCM Amingaon Kamrup.
while Taragati while granting the bed that court also consider the length of hearing and the stage of investigation.
Public.
Can I tell you? To the satisfaction of
CCM Amingaon Kamrup.
why you wanted adjournment?
The Angus Council is on leg in court number 4. Public.
For allowing no counsel is required. For dismissal, okay, of course. Yes, what happened? Why these are
Your
happening?
Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, prior to this application, Your Lordship, one more application was moved before the court below, Your Lordship. For these two person, Your Lordship.
So
After rejection, Your Lordship, this petition.
what is your call?
Wakalatama, Your Lordship.
Here, Lordship, why it has come in our case? Whole family is in the temple. And these things happening, Lordship, they don't know him also. If a Lordship is to call them, the wife also, they may not be aware of this happening, Lord.
What is how many days?
In 76 days.
And what is the role of the other person?
And the other person is also same, Lord.
That there is no direct involvement.
But there is one, my lord, Imdadu Roman, he is the my lord, main person from whose my lord is. from whose
Rubul
position-
Ali and Imdadur. Rubul Ali we have granted in case of Mr. Sharma.
Imdadu, my lord, Imdadu, there is material, Lord. Imdadu.
Huh?
Against the Imdadu, there is material.
Rubul Ali granted. Huh? But how to handle it, Mr. Goswami?
In this case, Your
Lordship,
Lordship,
I have a
There are some problems this court is facing. First of all, petitions are being filed and those are withdrawn because simultaneously petitions are filed in the sessions court or trial first time. Both ways. And they give a statement in our petition saying that no bail application is pending. Now, how to handle with this case? This is a absolute perjury. This is one. Second, you have seen this, a single petitioner, two bail petitions. We have granted in one. Now, how will deal with the other that he is also petitioner? How to deal with it? Item 33, he said that there is no specific role of one person. That petition is by one person. We have granted. Now it comes the same person joining the other who is the main accused. Another bail application. Now how to deal with the second petition about this first one?
he has already filed an independent petition, my lord.
That will allowed already. Now how to handle this second petition where again he is a petitioner?
There is special reason for joining with another effort to file, because if it is there, it's a different issue. It is not there.
The problem is that this bench this kind of practices are going on. This is not good for.
That person is not necessary for this.
I will delete his name. But yes, be careful. We'll get hold of the lawyers.
The lawyers also may be misplaced.
Whatsoever, the fact remains that a single person has filed two bail petitions out of the same FIR, same allegation.
And Lordship, the second
Lawyers-
application, Lordship, statement has been made that no bail application is pending, Lordship.
Lordship,
This is totally misleading this honorable court, Lordship. With nullified intention.
May I say something, Lord?
Which one is the subsequent application?
My lord, second one, item number 39.
You withdraw it. You withdraw it and file it. We'll see.
But may I tell one more thing?
No, you need not say anything. We understand.
Your lordship, I,
We have also practices there.
your wife has filed lordship. I'm not at all.
No, that is, see, okay, fine, we have granted in 33,
Hmm.
39 on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner. The bail implication is closed. He may be liberty to file a fresh petition so far relating to the petitioner number 2, as the petitioner number has already been granted a bail in BA number 3456 of 2023. Or we reject. Let us finish this.
Yes, Master, that may be rejected. Notice.
Okay. 33 is done already. Now 39. This is an application under 23 by these two people. Petitioner Rubul Ali earlier filed a bail application which is registered as BA 2994/2023. The same has been granted by this court today itself. Now, the present application filed at a later point of time by the said Rubul Ali along with one Imdadur Rahman arising out of the same police case. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner on a pointed query submits that both these accused file bail application before the learned sessions court which were rejected. Accordingly, the present bail application was filed. Full stop. The affidavit is sworn by who filed this affidavit? Affidavit is sworn by the wife of by the
It's 39, your lordship.
I am the wife.
no, ठीक है, by अगर वो number 2 already granted bail in 2994 of 20. Affidavit is sworn by one friend and relative of the petitioner. These are being brought by brokers. Let me not hesitate to say this.
But this person, your
And
lordship,
this is the broker. Why should we not take action against
this person, he was the petitioner before the court will hear.
Nazrul Islam, Nazrul Hussain, who stated to be a friend and relative of the petitioner, related to the petitioner. Full stop. Whereas the other petition filed by Rubul Ali is shown in by his wife. Full stop. Be that as it may, without going further, this court deletes on the prayer of the learned counsel for the appellant, the name of the petitioner Rubul Ali in this case is deleted from the as a petition. Consideration of the case, consideration of the material available on case diary, it is seen that there are specific material implicating the petitioner Imdadur Rahman
Yes.
in commission of the alleged offense, and therefore this court considered that it is not a fit case for grant of bail at this case. Accordingly, it stands affected. This Bora city is received.
Yes, they received, Master.
What is the injury?
The person died. Master.
Died.
My lord, the PM report not received. Lord. That the
None
petitioner
appears
appeared.
for a petitioner on court. It is submitted that the postmortem report has not yet been received. Accordingly, with this method, how many days is behind?
my lord, today is 38 days.
303,
Let it
When?
come in the, my lord, 7th of November.
7th of
My lord,
7
we
November.
returned the case there, Lord.
17th,
7/11.
7/11.
Your lordship.
Yes.
439 application, my lord, 24 days in custody. My lord, the vernacular of the FIR page number 16, my lord. May I read the FIR?
Hmm.
It says Hanumanpur Road,
It is there, Bura.
My lord, 41 and 60 may be taken up together, Lord.
41 and 60.
60.
Let 60 be called, then we'll.
Right.
60 who is council? You are the council.
Yes,
Okay, then we'll take
16 and 41.
two tower council.
So, can we
Yeah.
dispose of it?
Huh?
He is the counsel in both the cases.
Also, we'll take when 61 is called.
60.
60.
My
We'll go serial.
my
46,000.
Let the matter may be passable for time in your lordship and just until Vibora is coming.
Coming.
So 43, we have case that is received. I'm sorry, case that is received. Lord, 43.
Receive na?
Forty-three lordship, this file is behind the work for the last 51 days. Postmortem report is awaited.
Let the matter may pass time being.
Okay, time be time. Yes.
Miller, this 438 petition.
Hmm.
I just briefly indicate the fact.
Yes.
The petitioner has a small shop at Kolkata.
Hmm.
Stationery plus he took a trading license for a computer printing. And thereafter, Miller,
Hmm.
there was some allegation against him, and the subdivisional magistrate directed the executive magistrate to close down the shop
Hmm.
without hearing, without notice.
Hmm.
And against that order, it has been closed for about 15 days, and we moved this honorable court.
That is set aside.
That was set aside. Only relevant thing is that in that letter, if your lordship sees at page 11, Miller,
Hmm.
of the petition 12, there was an endorsement by him, the LTJN, at serial 5, Miller.
Hmm.
He is directed to lodge FIR against Devojit Hazarika, son of so under section 468 and 467. And thereafter, my lord, the FIR was filed, which we have filed with our additional affidavit. And at page 21 and 22, your lordship.
Who issued fake
STJM, executive. Or the fake NEC is alleged, my lord,
Hmm.
to be from our computer. It is a public shop, and people come and get their things done. But that is the allegation. And if your lordship will kindly turn to page 22.
What is your business in the shop? Computer shop.
No, my lord, we have basically stationery items and also a computer where, my lord, that photocopying takes place and printing, both.
Hmm.
Therefore, my lord, we the direction was by the executive authority to close down and also to the sub-register to file under 467 and 468.
Hmm.
Now, your lordship knows 467 relates to fabrication of a wheel. That has got nothing to do with this
Nothing.
FIR. Therefore, the second offense is 468, maximum is 7 years.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, 41A applies, and your lordship, High Court's recent circular
Hmm.
applies that if the person concerned is cooperating.
Yes,
then
what
no
is in the
there.
CD?
Yes, Lordship. Otherwise, after getting interim, he has appeared before the his statement recorded.
Interim appeared,
Yes.
No, I have also appeared, my lord, cooperating.
interim appeared, cooperated, disposal.
Obliged.
For this, Lordship, it is not available.
CD not able, any interim,
Yes, petitioner,
interim is there.
and no Lordship, it is not an interim. Your
Okay,
Lordship, source sheet has been filed.
search it file.
Yes,
So what to do? Search it file, no interim. You approach.
Let's say, there are the search under billable section. The applicants have searched under billable section. All the
No,
Lordship,
no
may
problem.
appear before the trial.
No problem. You appear before a trial court, huh? Highly recommended. Bailable offense means trial by magistrate.
Yes.
Before the trial court, and don't say anything. Before the trial court, don't need not say committal court, huh? Amar the order. Oh, madam, give the CS number.
Lordship. Right, CS number 87 of the 2023, dated 30/08/2020.
Yes,
Your Lordship, schedule was called for. That is not received, Lordship, petition is
Interim is
against
there.
him, Lordship. Let it
When?
be on 15th of 11,
15,
15th of
11,
November.
15, 11, interim to.
File. Appropriate Lordship, schedule was called for,
Series received.
not received,
Any interim?
no interest.
Okay. The
Counsel
case
is
diary
also
call for is not received.
Counsel is also.
We'll fix it, give it
Lordship, on 8/11.
8/11. Just see the FIR.
Lordship. Page 12, Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
We are on interim, my lord. It has already appeared.
So
So, my
we'll
lord,
have to make it absolute.
my lord, no, my lord, kindly turn to page
Yes,
9. Is that?
it is there.
Lordship, CD is there, Lordship, victim is, this is a minor, Lordship. And she has implicated that Lordship, she has a love affair with one Abu Bakr Siddiq. And at the instigation of this present petitioners, she has been in love with the said boy.
What about that? Her boyfriend?
That
He is not come.
he has not come, he is not before Lordship.
He was arrested and released on bail. I have another order.
Restaurant pay.
Actually, my lord, we don't know him, my lord. Where, my lord, residing in the same campus.
Was there an interim?
Yes,
Lordship.
Cooperated, interim made absolute, or cooperated, also considered that the present petitioner assisted the main accused who has already declared.
Hello.
Lordship,
Second,
second bail applications.
In the earlier bail application, there was no benefit certificate. my lord.
no,
In the instant bail application, merit certificate and so there's annex number 2 page
And
19 to
case
20.
study was called for, that we have not received.
not it.
The law paper- Not-
You are Jahanur.
Ma'am.
Okay, we'll see the case diary again.
No,
Yes, sir.
8/11.
But marriage is already the
Hmm.
It means the second ground mal marriage certificate is answer.
What is it?
If may annex 2 mal.
Marriage certificate, marrying whom? A minor.
No, my lord, Major, the allegation is kidnapping, my lord. But
Ah.
this is a law perfection matter, my lord.
Where is that marriage certificate?
There is a page number 19 to 21. This is my. Where 19 is the type of the 20, 21 is the related. In page 21, my lord. Both
You are Jahanur.
my.
The bail petition filed by the present petitioner being AB number
3137,
3137
2023.
2023 was rejected.
Lordship, earlier petition was rejected, that is AB number 2086, 2023.
AB number 208623 plus 2023. So far relating to the petitioner, the prayer for bail filed by the petitioner. The present petitioner earlier approached this court by filing AB number
2086, 2023. 86.
2086 of 2023. Along with some other accused persons. The other accused persons were granted bail, anticipatory bail by the petitioner. Anticipatory bail to those petitioners. However, such prayer of the present petitioner was rejected. Accordingly, the present application is filed. The new ground stated that there was a love affair between the alleged victim and the petitioner, and the victim is a major and willingly she eloped with the present petitioner and accordingly got married under the got married in support of such statement. Marriage certificate has also been annexed. Considering the above, till the production of case diary, the present petitioner is protected from arrest and so and so and so. Will appear before the magistrate, produce the certificate.
JMF.
What JMF Pastor? What are you saying? Appear before the IO within 10 days and produce the original certificate.
Next it is 811.
Will appear before the IO and produce the marriage certificate. That matter, Mr. Choudhury.
My lord, the lordship has,
I thought we'll see decide on the Wednesday.
my lord, let it come up for motion thereafter tomorrow. My lord, this is a new practice, my lord. I filed a motion,
Okay,
somebody taking
okay.
time. What is this, my lord?
No, they say they are appearing. We'll dispose it of.
No, what I'm saying is, my lord, let it come up for motion thereafter. tomorrow.
Okay. It will be coming. Ultimately,
Motion.
we'll have to take up after the motion.
Yes. No, not today, my lord.
Not today, on Wednesday.
Yes.
So okay, we'll do it on Wednesday
As a motion.
as a motion.
Wednesday.
Okay.
So, my lord, in a criminal case, we have filed a motion. Somebody is saying my senior is not there.
No, since basically issue is of jurisdiction.
Yes.
So I thought let us finish it up instead of keeping this pending.
Let it come up for motion.
That's why we fix it on Wednesday, we'll finish it up.
Yes.
Even motion will finish it.
Yes.
Why should we keep all this method?
18.
18, huh? It will just keep it, we fix it on, I think, Thursday or 12, Wednesday, Thursday. We gave it Thursday for a decision, for admission.
Let it down for motion on Wednesday.
On Thursday, no
Thursday.
problem.
Thursday, no problem.
Okay, Thursday's motion.
Motion.
We'll finish it up. Why
I'll-
this kind of methods should be pending?
Yes.
Seems something
Yes,
serious.
Your Lordship, my lord, as your Lordship knows, this is a second bail, AB, my lord. But here, my lord, if your Lordship will see your Lordship's earlier order, my lord, with all respect, I'll submit, my lord. Everything was devoted to the husband, my lord. The order is on page 19 it starts, and page 20 is the relevant portion, my lord. All act has been attributed while rejecting
It
the.
is there.
My case diary there also, mother, he has says appeared statement recorded also. There is a note of the investigating officer also. But wherein my whatever my nanot pen is, says also. The husband is involved also.
Without the precedence, the police is also want to help the representative.
No, no,
people's
my lord,
representative.
not that way, my lord.
Without the help of the people's
No, no, I-
representative, can the husband of the people representative do
My
this?
husband takes steps. my
Huh?
lord. Husband takes steps.
This is
my
the new mode. We will not approve this.
No, no, your Lordship will see, your Lordship is also.
You are
observed that
making
this-
the husband's scapegoat all
Your
through.
Lordship,
Now again you are doing that.
your Lordship will see at the very inception, your Lordship granted interim bail, then the diary came, my lord, your Lordship after.
This is
discussing
an
that statement-
embezzlement of the public fund.
No, my lord, that took place something years earlier, my lord, not during my tenure for this. The husband is actually responsible.
We have
This,
granted interim.
yes, my lord.
Only my lord, whether custody interrogation.
Interrogation will be required.
Police will not require her custody.
My lord,
Because
my lord
police
will
will,
not take it.
police tells them.
This is a
I'll appear,
on
my
the
lord,
basis of
if
the.
all the documents that.
It is a second application, so earlier approach. Case diary produced is Peru. The basic ground asked by Mr. J. Kamar is that the petitioner, the specific allegations are, so your husband is arrested.
Well, I think by this time, because last time exam could not be given by the.
So this is a fantastic statement.
No, my
Mr.
lord.
Borua, the people's representative says that her husband, she is such a genuine people's representative. Her husband has done it. So arrest him.
So, my lord, they will definitely take recourse, my lord. Otherwise, he is not before your honor, my lordship, my lord. So laws take his own course. Now, I am before your lordship as a.
Let
Why?
us help the law to take its own course.
My lord,
Let
my
us show
lord,
the road
No, I have got nothing to say on that, my lord. At least for the children's sake, my lord. Last
to
time
take
also,
the
my lord,
real course.
last
Let us
time
show
I-
the road where to
my
go.
lord, last time I also prayed for that exam part. We'll take care.
Difficult.
My lord,
What is your new ground? That husband is
My lord, the new ground is that basically pointing out the orders, my lord, on 8-9 order, my lord, that this. And the other new grounds is that, my lord, your lordship will see. My lord, in this case, my lord, in the construction committee for which the allegation is there, chairman is the husband and the member is the secretary, my lord, town panchayat,
and you
And
have no role.
financial part, my lord. That is the way the things are structured, my lord.
How can your husband be a member of a committee when you are a people's representative?
My husband is the chairman of the committee, should be selected by the user group of the scheme by way of resolution of Gaon Sabha, but the chairman cannot be the PRI representative. Then
They are
member
helpless.
secretary is the Gaon
They
Panchayat.
are helpless, Mr. Borua. Your police is also saying, no, we do not require her.
As per my lord, the.
Do you
last-
believe
after
that
the-
her husband is doing
Well,
something?
ma'am, definitely.
And then wife is the representative of people.
For
See-
husband faults, my lord.
What is the allegation? Tell us.
That
Construction, sir.
FIR is nothing, my lord. Only 2 lines. Your lordship will
Constructions
see.
were not done. 3-4 constructions were there,
No, no,
not
no,
done.
I'm reading the relevant portion, my lord, the type portion. I have the honor to state that during the course of the inquiry on 14 FJN and 15 under of Pava GP, it was observed the Chief Executive Officer, Lokhimpur Jilla, page 12, my lord, Borikot, that there are misappropriation of government funds in Pava. Nothing allegation against me, my. It's in general, my.
But there are statements which says that there was supposed to be a hall. not constructed. There is supposed to be something.
These are all prior to my coming, my lord. That was in a continuing process. See the year, my lord, that was going on earlier, my lord. No year, nothing has been given, my lord.
Keep in a secret that whatever I recall is that it was not implemented. And who is the chairman? Your
These are
husband.
all
And who is
husband
the
and chairman
sanctioning
consent.
authority or representative? Is the wife.
No, no, my
Now,
lord, it's not
Lordship,
that way, my
the
lord.
police is searching the husband, Lordship.
Police will stop searching that.
It will arrest him, my lord.
We will monitor.
Yes, yes.
We will monitor.
No issue for that. Because I would have not approached had the order passed by your earlier lordship, my lord, while visiting the AB, my lord. Nothing has been stated again, incriminating found against the wife, the present petition.
Who is Alok Kumar Singh?
Your lordship also observed it. Shall I read my lord? Page 23.
Yes, read it.
Peruse the case diary which reflects that the detailed investigation was done and the same reflects misappropriation of government fund against different projects sanctioned for public purpose like community hall, gymnasium, volleyball, sanitary, wherein the husband of the Gaon Panchayat president, who is also the petitioner in this petition, was the chairman of the state committee. It is he who has done that. What I am pointing it out.
What is the name of your husband?
My Soriful Islam, my lord.
Soiful Islam.
Yes.
Soiful.
Yes.
Who is Soifuddin?
I am not aware.
There is no gym was even constructed.
I'm the member secretary, my lord. Is their responsibility, my lord. Chairman and all as para 14 of the demand. 6 Roman 6.
What are you saying?
Right.
This is your statement. That
What?
you are the president during that period.
Gaon
I read?
Panchayat president,
Should
madam,
I
not
read?
for the construction committee president, madam.
No, you are not construction committee president.
Construction committee, there is a para 6 if your lordship will see. Of the that I cannot deny it also.
you were not you were not president so far relating to the gym.
Yes.
But community hall, you were the president of the construction committee.
Then
Insofar volleyball stadium, volleyball and sanitation, Gaon Panchayat scheme, you were the president.
no, but
And there was no
what has
construction
happened
committee.
thereafter, my lord, your lordship will see whether any such evidence are there regarding that it is constructed, not constructed, how much work done, what was the quality of work done, and these works are carried out through the contractor's matter. The simple allegation in the FIR was that there are certain anomalies, my lord. Nothing specific, because it was, this FIR was also filed after causing a preliminary inquiry, my lord, written in the FIR, my lord, that's page 13.
Your husband's name is Soriful.
Yes. So the police.
We'll see.
Mal.
We'll see.
Well, we'll take the guidelines also, the notification into consideration, my lord, which have given it.
Withdrawing cash and
I don't know what is exactly.
giving it to Zim, and police is saying cooperative.
That my lord, sir, I will notice there that I.
We'll see it.
My lord, only take note of one fact, my lord, that custodial.
You know,
information-
corruption is
No, I know that, your lordship. Nobody likes that, my lord. But fact is that now how I am involved.
that will be you get
No,
an
that everything will be decided in trial, my lord. Your lordship, no, not only. in
your
this case,
your
my lord.
ground is that I do not know how to operate dongle. So therefore,
So this is what public representatives are, my lord. Now in normally in.
face the music if you cannot use your dongle.
I'm saying in
Face
general.
the
my lord.
music.
I'm not saying for my petition, I'm saying in general.
Hey,
In
that's what
general,
that's
we have normally seen that abatement always
Your-
the wife come in here. it is the other-
your husband is a businessman. He's a vendor of gym equipment. So he has made the chairman. Who made him chairman? He was made the chairman. Now, along with the secretary, they withdraws cash and says that because you'll have to show, otherwise you cannot pay cash. It's a government money. You'll have to transact through your account or give check. And you pay by check. We'll see. We'll have seen a
My
little
lord,
bit. We'll go
The
further.
contractor has been appointed as the member, my lord. Now, if the law permits, there is no fault in it. If the law doesn't permit and I'm violated the law, then it will be gross
We'll
violation.
see that. That's
Definitely, your lordship, I could get it.
yes.
Your lordship will see it,
Yes.
my lord. But only respect is that, my lord, that whether further custodial information is necessary, that is also one aspect your lordship will.
That is not always the
No,
always
my lord,
that.
it's always there, my lord, since 1965, my lord, bail not, the bail is the rule, my lord. So retweeting that submission, my lord, will take care of it.
Sometimes we'll have to balance
Up to it. All things to be done. No doubt.
as a judge. When
that's
you are
why-
when you are
That's
in
why we have the symbol of that.
where you are in that side, your interest is one. When you are in this side, your interest is something
Well,
different.
my senior is also adding
Yes.
his flavor, my lord. Because the balance your lordship has talked, we have that statue of justice over.
We'll have to balance it. Therefore, I'm not saying straight away, and I've not
Sure, sure.
taken
Your
any
lordship
call.
will-
We'll go to
Your
it.
lordship will go to the case diary and we have all faith in your lordship, my lord. And the wife is before. Because on the last order, your lordship observed that husband is the culprit. Taking a
see-
clue from that, I have filed it. That's all.
Yes.
Much of.
It is there.
Search is submitted, Lord.
Search is submitted.
Search is number,
This is search it being
search is being number 105/2023, dated 30 September 2023.
no interim.
No.
So it is FPR approach. This is tribal by session. So approach the session court. Otherwise, they will say go to the
Apply. The 53, we have not received the case there.
The land dispute between the brothers. Nothing else, madam. Only
Interim.
no interim.
that is clear from the FIR itself.
Only allegation against the accused number 5. Only allegation that he beaten up. Nothing, no other allegation against anybody. He is my brother, my.
Puro have it before vacation,
Next Monday.
Monday. We want an injury report. Your
Lord.
allegation is severely beaten. Head injury and all.
Timing, Lord. Timing.
Time being.
Lord.
Yes, what about the city?
Case there is.
If
My Lord, 55 case there is not received.
not received,
Interim is not there, man. And
what to do? Interim is not there.
My Lord, that is on 16/11, 16/10.
Where is the FIR?
required, my God, page 11. Page 11. Husband is not implicated. Allegation 498. Here the accused number is not the
The
husband.
burn and all injuries, all allegations are there. When Burwa?
18, Lord. 18 days.
Of the This is a substitute care. It can copy of the LCR of all.
Scan copies has come. Burwa?
You have to go through, Lord.
Okay, when?
Friday, Lord.
Friday,
Then Monday, Lord.
Monday.
In fact, 164 statement I have an
Yes.
hospital case 18. There is no case of 366A. So for the 164 statement.
Monday.
She is 16 years.
Yes.
Charge sheet has already been filed.
Yes.
That's why. It in a case that no charge sheet has been filed is a different. The moment charge sheet is filed, the standard changes. Standard changes. Purva, from Monday, na?
Monday.
The
16.
scan copy call for is received. However, Mr. Purva, learned additional protection secretary, submits that he may be granted some time to quote the scan copy to assist this. Okay. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on Monday.
May I be the lordship?
Yes, Hazarika.
Yeah, my pictures not named, but on the other hand, that the persons who from whom the
It is
charges
here.
have been recovered, they are already arrested and
Who-
recovered
Where is
Mr.
the affair?
at page 10. So his name is not here, but subsequently pending because the police is in house. Now, and here is an allegation against this person, possession, which is a bailable offense, man. 489 C, man.
Out of 489, because of 489A, my lord. and
Your
489
name is,
My name is not here, man. The name is-
what is his role?
the PD.
Lordship kindly fills the statement of other co-accused, Lordship.
What is your name?
Maqbul Hussain.
Maqbul Hussain.
Mokbul Hussain.
Three of the co-accused, Lordship, implicated him, Lordship. They are in an organized manner, Lordship, during the crime.
In the minor allegations was taken to be true. my lord.
29 bundles of fake Indian currency notes. 500 denomination.
389 C is will come at best, my lord. That is
Mounted
position.
on white paper bag and rammed with hand tape. Alto car bearing registration number. Mobile handset.
They are all arrested. This person.
Anwar, Rafiq and Anwar. Cool. Hajarika, bad luck.
Good case also.
Feruza, case diary. Case diary has called for it. Produce. Feruza same. The material so far collected indicates that the present petitioner is also a member of a gang who member of the gang making fake currency note and distributing the same. Considering the above, this court is of the view that and
Only one
Full
thing. my lord,
stop.
is,
further, some other accused are still at large and the police are the investigating authorities are trying to apprehend them, considering the matter in entirety.
Only one thing. But that 489.
Let-
the way
let-
A is whether it is there. my lord.
Let me tell you, everything happened in your place.
Position if it is there. my lord.
No,
That's
possession, not only
489C,
possession, not only possession, entire
Available.
planning was in your house. All these accused were called to your house. Then you advise how to do. And another who is still not been arrested. Nobab, Jabbar.
There is co-accused statement.
The co-accused statement, but that co-accused statement may give you benefit in the
But
case of
allegation in the affair is different, man. That is that they are recovered from a car, model.
recovered from car. Prior to recovery from the car, what happened? That is vivid from the investigation. How it was organized and sent with the car. Your luck is that you are not in the car. That much only.
At this stage.
What anticipated? Come with new grant rejected. That is it.
Welcome. I may try another. For luck, man.
It's in these cases, it's better to be inside,
That is.
have some government
Yes, yes.
hospitality, and come back. Then we'll allow. Then we'll not ask so many questions. Yes.
Please, your lord.
Lordship, CD received, Lordship, but medical examination report is not received.
What is the allegation?
376. So why not
376.
let the medical report come?
What is the C? What is the 164? What is the age?
20 years.
Married lady, my lord. So,
20 years. Like.
Married lady can be raped.
no, my lord, I'm not saying, I'm just saying that.
Otherwise, Lordship, in 164 statement, she narrated the story, and 161 statement, she implicated Lordship.
But our only submission, my lord, in this case is that the allegation is that the rape took place in my shop. My shop is situated in front of my house, where my wife and children are there, my lord. Only the IO has drawn up the sketch.
Problem is, don't keep relation with this kind of lady.
But this is not a case of consensual relationship also.
There's a case where this money was
Be
demanded. from him.
careful.
Money was demanded, my lord, and then money was returned.
See, suppose these statements are given in photo before the court testimony. Any corroboration is required, any medical evidence is required. So be careful. This is the law. Let us wait for the medical report. It's a true story. It's not that what I thought.
No, my lord, the case
Okay, we'll see
no,
the,
my lord will see the medical.
we'll see the, yeah. The case side is received, the medical report pertaining to the victim lady is not received. Accordingly, the learned medical public prosecutor pressed for and is granted time
On 18th, lordship.
till 18th of October 2020. Please record.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I am very sorry, my lord. I could not be there in item number 10. I could not be in time. Your lordship was kind enough to record my name.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Wording report is there, it will provide more clarity, my lord. My lord, I would like to take you through the
Why
vernacular.
two applications? Just tell us.
My lord,
Person.
there are 3 persons, my lord.
In this case, no problem.
Ah,
In this case,
no. So this is, there are 3 accused.
3 accused, my lord. One has been arrested, and another 2 have not been arrested.
Okay, so
40.
arrested are 3495.
My lord, my lord.
That is item number 41.
41, my lord.
Okay.
24 days in custody, my lord.
Where is the FIR? Tell us.
Page 16, my lord, the vernacular. Will provide clarity, my lord. My lord. May I read, my lord? It says, Sir, সন্মানপূর্বক বিনোদন নিবেদন এ যে আজি ইংৰাজী 8/9/2023 তাৰিখত আবেলি অনুমান 4:30 মান বজাত মই আৰু মোৰ সৰু ভাইটি শফিকুল শেখ ঘৰত নথকাৰ সুযোগত 1 নম্বৰ আসামী who is not an applicant আসামীজনে বাকী 2, 3 আৰু 4 is 41 মেলক আসামীৰ কুবুদ্ধি আৰু ষড়যন্ত্ৰ মতে 1 নম্বৰ আসামীজনে ধাৰাল দাৰে মোৰ ঘৈণীয়েক অঞ্জুমান বিবি aged about 35 years আৰু সৰু ভাইটি শফিকুলৰ ঘৈণীয়েক অঞ্জুমান বিবি aged about 30
Both are Anjuma.
both are Anjuma. So my lord, here the allegation of 326 and 307 is not attracted on me, my lord. It very clearly says the allegation is kubuddhi and horizontal. But 34 has been added, 124 has not been added. Also, my lord, there is no
action which is accounting to conspiracy here, my lord. So I am in no way involved. What happened, my lord? There is a land dispute. The informant is the elder brother of accused number 1, Rafiqul Islam, who apparently assaulted the wives of the informant and his brother. So now there is a property dispute. The informant and Rafiqul Sheikh has ganged up and denied land to the
What is the role of 2, 3, and 4 in the city?
My lord, 2, 3 and 4 lords, only I'm just reading the line, lordship. Rafiqul Islam, he is the main accused. lordship. He
That is accused
restricted-
number 1.
Yes.
Ah.
Ukto Gotana Abdul Wahab, that is my lord petitioner in other item number 61, and Sona Bhanu Bibi আৰু নুৰ ইছলামৰ বুদ্ধিত আৰু ষড়যন্ত্ৰত সংগঠিত কৰিছে। This is আমাৰ citation.
and we are not involved.
BA considering
No, only my lord, the
period of-
MR medical report is yet to receive. lordship. It's a case of T26.
Even if it is there,
otherwise
that is-
accused number
Hello.
specific case is that accused number 1.
my lord.
Inflicting is not
So
there.
far relating to this BA, we are granting. Considering the recipient detention and material available on record and the nature of allegation, they are only the instigator,
Right.
comma, allowed. To the satisfaction of
SDGM Gusaiga,
SDGM Gosayo, item 41.
60 million.
Now item 60.
My lord, item 60, both the petitioners are in-laws of the Rafiqul Islam. Now they were in West Bengal. They are resident of West. They were not present there.
Why they are apprehending?
They are apprehending because we have
So
the name.
according to you,
I know.
accused number 1 is not yet arrested
He is not in arrest.
and no bail also
He is
applied,
not before this court.
not reported.
Not before.
Report लिखी है बेटा। The material also reveals that the accused number 1, namely
Rafiqul Islam.
Rafiqul Islam, inflicted the allegedly inflicted the blow. What? Then these people are who are these?
They are the
Not named in the FIR.
They are named in the
They are
2
named.
and 3 million. They are father-in-law and mother-in-law. Who is
No,
father-in-law?
whom we have granted now?
Three
We have granted in BA whom 3 and
He is
4.
the close relative of
No,
of the-
no.
4
We have granted 4.
4 million.
4 is only BA.
Million.
Okay, 4 is BA. Now 2 and 3.
My lord.
They are not even resident of this
My lord.
area.
They are resident of West Bengal.
Same person. Considering the material and also considering the fact that they were not present
My lord.
on the date of arrest.
My lord.
Full stop. Follow Diva. However, the aforesaid observation made is for the purpose of bail only. Because now we'll take a plea of bail, we will have to prove it. Then we'll say court has came to custody.
Keep your blood.
So you must be so much careful.
Keep your blood.
Fix until it
one mother case are not.
FIR is a case 7 lot.
is
Case 7, 458 lot. And the other two sections are made up. 58.
FIR at page 7.
That was some altercation took place between these two persons.
What is this? Allegations are not that serious. What is the case there is?
Case there is not received. That is
The case there is called for is not received. Stop. Mr. Khan M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner praised that considering the nature of allegation made in the FIR, he may be protected by an interim order till production of the case date. Peruse the material available on record, including the statement averments made in the petition and the allegation revealed in the FIR, considering the nature of allegation and also considering that the case diary has not been produced. This court is of the view that petitioner is entitled for grant of interim protection. So appear before 10 days and say whatever you want to say.
so we can call for the case there.
Yes, sir.
To
In the
2011.
meantime, the case
2011.
diary be produced on
2011.
2011 after Diwali.
May I please your lordship?
What is the,
Lordship, this is an application under section 431 CRPC. Read with section 167(2) of the CRPC, paying for granted default bail. In respect to the petitioner, on the ground that the charge sheet so filed in this case is incomplete based on totally incomplete investigation. Lordship may kindly come to the lordship FIR. The lordship will find a page number lordship. 15 lordship type copy. 8 numbers of accused persons are mentioned lordship. And I am lordship. My name is at serial number 8, Riyazul Islam. At page 60. And the gist of the allegation is that lordship,
where is the affair?
page 15, type copy lordship. 8 numbers of accused persons are mentioned lordship.
Hmm?
8 numbers of accused persons are mentioned in that
Space.
page 15, 15. And my name is lordship. Lordship will find it serial number 8, page 16. Last lordship, Riyazul Islam. And lordship, gist of the allegation is that lordship, the accused number 1, who was the SI, then SI, Dunmoni Rava, with the assistance of other accused persons, entered forcefully in the house of the lordship complainant, and lordship assaulted her lordship elder son lordship, and thereafter forcibly took away cash amount of 80,000 along with some other items.
Who lost this affair?
Informant lordship is the
Mother-
Amina Khatun. And lordship, some items were taken away, voter ID, PAN card, gold earring, etc. Lordship. Additionally, also they also assaulted the informant as well, lordship. And thereafter,
I'm not
lordship,
getting anything. Please give me just 2 minutes.
Lord.
Who lost the affair? What is
The-
the basic fundamental allegation?
lordship,
What is the fundamental?
FIR lodged by Amina Khatun.
Ah.
And the allegation is that accused number 1,
Ah.
with the assistance of other accused persons,
Ah.
forcefully entered their house lordship.
Ah.
And thereafter, lordship assaulted the elder son
Ah.
of the informant,
Ah.
and also took away certain amount lordship 80,000 along with other items.
Yeah.
Voter
Then,
ID card, PAN card, earring,
okay,
etc. lordship.
forget about it.
And
Other,
then lordship assaulted the informant also. Lord.
okay.
And thereafter, lordship dragged her at the son out of the house lordship. And thereafter, lordship extorted money to the extent of 6 lakh lordship from lordship informant. 6 lakh. Lordship. This is the gist of the
This Amina.
Amina.
Now,
Now,
and charge
lordship,
sheet is filed.
charge sheet, Lord, that is the moot question, lordship. Here, lordship, initially investigation was conducted by CID lordship. Thereafter, it was transferred to CBI lordship. The investigation. Lordship.
What?
And on the lordship
Status.
order of the state government as well as the central government. Thereafter, lordship, charge sheet, this petitioner was arrested on lordship 25/5.
Okay, that lady officer who died in an accident. Okay, they entered into the.
Yes,
House of
lordship.
the informant.
That is the allegation.
He's a policeman or what?
No, no.
He was
He's a
she was the
private
police.
person.
No,
He's a
why?
private-
How they are involved in?
Lordship, he has taken.
That is the
With
allegation.
the help of those private person, he entered into the house of the
with the
informant.
assistance of these the other accused. The main accused is the accused number 1.
Now
main
you
is-
want a
is-
default bail.
Lordship.
All this.
Because lordship,
You do not want a bail on merit.
Merit
Because-
already
because
rejected.
Huh?
On merit
Mary's
rejected.
married lordship.
Rejected by?
Rejected by MK Kolita, Justice Kolita, Middle Kolita.
That lordship on merit. This is default bail lordship. And lordship may kindly see the
Okay, we'll take it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, lordship, two more cases pending here only. Yan Singh, lordship, that lady, please come from Calcutta, lordship.
lordship may kindly see the charge sheet lordship. It will be
No,
clear lordship. Lordship may kindly see that he is behind the bar for lost 145.
What have you done in that case? Why don't you reconstruct and start
I
that?
reconstructed, already reconstructed. It is there, lordship, in the
And what is the next trick?
next day for adding section for absconding. 175 will be added. Then it will proceed.
Do you need him? Really, do you need him?
He is a very habitual offender, lordship. Not only that case, 3 more cases pending against him. He is a smuggler, lordship. That
Anyway, we'll hear it tomorrow.
Lordship
I'll-
is that
We'll be here tomorrow.
tomorrow we should have
Day after.
today also lordship may dispose it because the documents I have and everything will be clear. from
only
there
one
also.
point is involved.
Only
lordship.
one point.
I'm not so learned in criminal law like you.
No, Lord, that's not.
That's why I want to go to what is the facts and figures. Don't want to waste those time. There is a series of hearing.
Lordship. Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Problem.
Lordship, just now we have received the case survey regarding a Jimma vehicle.
Hmm.
the Jimma. At 2 p.m. or day after.
No, will not. We have called twice.
Yes.
First time also nobody was there.
First time he was there, Lord.
He was there.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it.
2 p.m.
What's the mail was listed?
Yes.
Court at revelation petition was registered on 10/8/23 listed. Today is 60 days listed. And still it is also already over listed. Election under section listed.
What is over? Period is over.
Today 60 days listed.
Today is 60 days. Default bail. 366A.
No, 370.
370. Is it a 260 days? Trafficking?
70, my lord.
16 is 60 days.
My lord, this is 2009 IPC, Lordship, I'm talking. But 70, Lordship, my lord, it will be, my lord,
It's a trafficking and selling a lady.
not less than 7 years, but extend to 10 years. Extend to 10 years means, Lordship, it will come to 60 days.
60 days. There is 60 days. So he is entitled.
My lord,
Charge sheet file.
such a not filed, Lordship, victim is yet to recover. That's a very serious offense.
Now what to do?
Definitely, my lord. Otherwise,
What to do?
investigation is still going on. That is why started could not be filed.
So default bail he is entitled. That is entitled 60 days. The period is over. Accordingly, he is entitled for additional protection. Okay. Accordingly to the satisfaction of
CGM Kamru Metro. Guwahati.
Kamrup Metro.
Chief Developer.
Yes, Bora, what is this?
My lord, this is registered under 120B, 447, 146, 147, 148, 302, and 326. I think. Lordship will find the FIR page number 14. There are 14 persons named in the FIR, my lord. And my name is not there among the 14 persons.
302.
302, 326.
You are
I'm Rohit Sonar.
Rohit Sonar. Yes, what is his role?
Lordship, from the
Because
CD
allegation is that it's kind of a land entering into a land and beating her husband, and he died. Now, what is the allegation against?
From the statement of the victim and some other witnesses, Lordship, 164 statement has been recorded, Lordship. They have mentioned some person's name, but his name is not, they have not. As well as witnesses.
How many days?
From 9/9, my lord. 9/9/23.
Perus is the
41.
reported. Perus the same. Also, Perus the statement of the witnesses recorded under section 161 as well as under section 164. Full stop. The eyewitnesses has not specifically implicated the present petitioner in commission of the offense. Considering the above and also considering the period of detention, this court is of the view that no further custody correction is required. Accordingly, the present application stands allowed to the satisfaction of
CGM Kamrup Metro.
CGM.
Public. Mayor Peter. Mayor Peter.
Yes, 438. Where is the FIR? This is motion or bail hearing?
Bail hearing, madam. My lord, a student, my lord, he died at Broad Engineering College, my lord.
Where is the affair?
My lord, FIR is page 21, my lord.
Actually, how he died? I do not think this is a case of murder.
Yes, Lord,
Huh?
seems to be.
Huh?
Because he was totally under intoxication, might have some.
He
drugs.
overdosed.
Yes,
Case of overdose.
Yes,
We are in hostel, so you know,
yes.
hostel juniors will not go to
I
the.
also not found in his sufficient materials against application.
Okay. What will if the result of the case there reflects that no material is available to indicate the present case to be a murder. Any medical report which is
Lordship, one report has come regarding FSL. There is no poison was detected.
okay.
And
Considering the period of detention
No, my
and
lord.
maybe okay. Considering the bill petition stands allowed, he will appear before the IO within 10 days. Record his statement. Which is the police station?
Lordship, Jorhat PS.
And where are you a resident of?
Guwahati.
Guwahati. Cannot need not give that condition. Should not give. Okay. Not influence it. Other condition. Hope today it will happen.
Lordship, I'm again praying, Lordship.
Why? I will release it from Parker.
Lordship, there is some difficulty like that.
You do it. Why you need advocate general?
No, but Lordship, it's a legal point issue and
Yes,
Yes,
I said,
he will
submission
make
and-
submission, Lordship.
Yes, Dr. Sarah, what is a simple point?
But you can say it's the third time.
Third
That's so,
time,
Lordship. That's so, I admit that, Lordship.
I found it interesting to write the judgment. Then I thought I'll keep it part. If it is adjournment are taken, I'll release it, then it will go some. What to do, Mr. Sarah? Advise us.
Lord, your lordship on that day, basically.
My idea was that these matters can be put for thought during vacation.
This is very
I have
small,
no plan otherwise
and this is
going
very,
out of
the
Guwahati.
issue is very small in Article 14 only, and the last occasion with the consent of both the parties, you know, the date, but
That I admit, Lordship. It was with consent, Lordship. But
I must be a little bit stricter, like my brother.
and there can be comment below it.
This is a third or fourth time. Then it will go to after vacation. Think of them, whether they get or not get, that is a different issue. But an anxiety is there. Let it be finished.
Lordship, it will be finished, Lordship. But
It will be finished, they not done.
No,
Okay, when? Before vacation.
after vacation, Lordship. Because
Next time we'll say we do not require assistance.
I
This
leave
is
it
the
to you,
last time.
Lordship. I leave it to you.
Because we have not called the SG. SG will be present when we will call. Next time we'll say we will not wait for it. Yes, Saraf.
Well, I'm ready for the date, which was
Saraf is having no problem. Then tell us the date.
7/11.
7/11. Fantastic date. Okay. Though a prayer is made for adjournment on behalf of the learned advocate general state of Assam.
Then
Nine.
Thursday, 9th.
The date of Assam. Earlier also adjournments were sought for on the same ground, and this court has granted adjournment on the same ground on 29/8/2023 and 49/2023, and prior to that on 4/8/2023, this court heard at length Ms. Dr. Sarab, learned counsel, considering the continuous adjournment, though this court is reluctant to adjourn this matter. However, on the insistence of Mr. Chaudhary, P. Chaudhary, learned counsel assisting the Advocate General, the matter stands adjourned and shall be taken
No, 9th.
on 9/11/2023. It is made clear that on that date, no further adjournment is granted, and this court will proceed even in absence of the advocate.
If you lordship give me liberty, I may also prepare written submission.
Ah,
of the
ah.
convenience of your lordship.
In the meantime, the parties may prepare also written note of order.
All right.
So Bora,
My lord.
case diary is quiz for other side.
Date
Case-
also.
Case diary said this is proceeding before the special judge.
Now it is proceeding before now.
Ah.
It's earlier by all the orders, my lord.
Now, what will happen? Suppose they have corrected the mistake, everything will go.
Yes, my lord, the original mistake committed by the court which doesn't have the jurisdiction to take cognizance of the charge sheet.
Yes,
Yes,
Borua,
certainly.
we want Mr. Fukan
My
to be
lord.
here.
At 2 then,
2 is difficult.
Because the,
We'll hear it because I have gone through the thing.
well, the originally, for your lordship,
Originally FIR lost, then permission was granted by the CJM for press investigation or something.
yes, but when the first FIR was closed, my lord.
Note 13 was there.
Yes, no, 13 was.
13 was added by
13 was
the
added by the
magistrate,
magistrate.
which is void ab
permissible.
initio.
Yes,
So according
Then-
to you, will say that if it is void ab initio,
yes.
therefore, if it is void ab initio,
Only my
everything will
contention
fall.
is only this FIR will remain, my.
Hmm.
The investigation they can carry it out on the basis of their FIR afresh, or the further investigation, whatever. Further investigation without.
But the
the
adding of section and
Adding
charge sheet
and
on
this-
the basis of an order which is nullity,
Yes.
that cannot survive. This will be your
Yes.
argument.
Yes.
This is,
this is all that much. FIR will remain. They can further investigate
they can add 13,
at 13
they
whatever.
can file charge sheet
Yes,
before
yes,
the,
before the court.
everything they can,
But
they will
the-
be at liberty, but according to you,
Yeah,
on the basis of the original thing, he cannot survive.
Yes, not now. Because the first FIR, which has been taken cognizance, the magistrate, without sanction,
Quorum non judice.
non-judicial, and he has taken the cognizance of the PC Act. Then he added
On
PC
that
Act.
cognizance, trial cannot proceed on the basis of a cognizance taken by
By
the in court which is having no jurisdiction.
Yeah.
This is your argument.
Yes. So that the charge sheet was, he has taken the cognizance of the charge sheet, and charge sheet doesn't have the sanction. Charge sheet doesn't have the PC Act initially. He added PC Act. Then he added for fresh investigation,
That
not
cannot-
further investigation,
not-
which is also not permissible. So whatever action he has,
So it should be started from point 0.
point not zero, my lord, the FIR will remain.
That is the point 0.
FIR will remain. Thereafter, whatever the investigation they have carried out so far,
On the basis of they
they
can
can
add,
go for further investigation by the competent authority. Then they can file the charge sheet.
yes, Borua.
That's much only.
See, there is an absolute illegality that you are also aware.
my lord.
But worry of this court is, to be frank, that now it is in the proper court. Now, whether this mistake will nullify this middle period or that is a curable defect, that much only. That we'll have to address.
My lord, at 2 PM, so I'll request my lord PP to appear before.
I think PP should address this court.
At 2
I may be convinced, but Issue is simple.
My lord.
If it is simple, result will be the same.
Result will be the same. But still, result, whatever the result, but we must be enlightened, more particularly this court. And
Enlighten, he can enlighten the same
No,
result will again, same thing.
no, he can
My
enlighten,
lord.
he can enlighten, but state in a case where these
My lord,
issues are,
definitely.
legal issues are raised, as in the earlier case, Advocate General was called. That is why we are having full confidence upon Mr. Burwa.
Yes.
That is not the issue. That is not the issue.
My lord,
We have full confidence not only on Burwa, whole set of public. We have no doubt on their intelligence,
Then he
integrity.
can start now. Then the Lordship has the confidence on the team. Why the captain is necessary.
Let the captain be here.
Sometime it is necessary.
Sometimes it is not it, Burwa?
Captain yesterday, captain has scored nothing. Yesterday, captain has scored nothing. But you have won Demetrius, their luck.
My lord, let it be tomorrow, lordship.
Tomorrow?
Hopefully tomorrow will be the another day.
No, tomorrow we'll carry it. We'll carry it. Because see, it's a question, simple question.
My lord.
Court or jurisdiction, two kinds. Jurisdiction as to the subject matter or as to the pecuniary or whatsoever. When it is a subject matter, then if it is not having jurisdiction, it's a nullity. It's a nullity. If it is a nullity, everything will fall. Now, Mr. Fukon is there. Yes, Mr. Fukon. Mr. Bora wants a proceeding pending before the special judge to be wiped out on the ground, three grounds. First is that FIR was lodged with a certain allegation. Then the investigating authority went to the Chief Judicial Magistrate asking, please add section 13 of the PCA. The CGM grants permission.
How can?
Then it continues.
Right.
Then it continues. Charge sheet was filed, including section 13. Then cognizance was taken by CGM. And
Cannot be mine.
and what further
Then he also ordered for the press investigation.
press investigation by CGM in this. Ultimately, charge sheet 313 somehow now it is pending before the special judge.
Not.
Now the Bora says that whatsoever it may proceed now in special judge, but the initial action done by a court having no jurisdiction will have a result of collapsing all the building, and it will have to be started from the stage of investigation. You will be at liberty to add 13 or whatsoever. If you add 13, it will go to the special magistrate. If not, nothing. So, do you agree with this proposition of law?
My lord, yes, correct. But magistrate has no jurisdiction, my lord, at this 13 PC Act, my lord. Where
Not
he got
only
the
he
jurisdiction?
added, my lord, he has taken cognizance.
Cognizance
also.
also. And moreover, my lord, he directed to.
So, you have sorted everything.
My lord, it's true, my lord. That is the law, my lord.
I was thinking, okay, that's why it says that's.
I said the result will be the
And
same, my lord.
magistrate and
I have the full confidence that the
No,
I have
magistrate,
also full
and
confidence.
even my lord, magistrate cannot direct for investigations,
Yes,
my lord. How can magistrate can? Only High Court and Supreme Court can direct.
So,
Order investigation is different.
So, we'll set aside this and we'll say give you a liberty to the investigating authority to proceed.
Yes,
That's all.
That's all.
Proceed.
Not the points which was raised by the 3 points, my lord, it's true, my lord. There is no.
That is.
My lord,
That much.
it's true. He magistrate has no jurisdiction.
If Lordship requires, then I have prepared one. I have given a list of these now.
You have given.
Yes.
Okay, that is important. But saying it disposed of is difficult. Release this matter on Monday, hearing for delivery of order.
Problem.
These 3-4 days, I
Problem.
Mato.
there's already stay, I think.
Stay.
So only for the delivery of judgment.
Delivery of order, judgment or order what?
Much obliged.
I can show you dispositive, but you will get the order after 10 days. So
No issue. That will also do, my.
that will also do.
Okay.
Dispositive.
Public.
Much obliged.
What happened to Abdul Rahim?
Working for complete case. Working for complete case.
Item
31.
yes, what do you want?
Working for complaint case, my lord.
Why?
Case number 32 is the complaint petition. File under section 406 seeking seizure on property. The cause of,
What is the ground?
my lord, the cause of action errors in property.
How?
Both the-
What is the facts narrated in the FIR, in the complaint?
That the marriage took place
Marriage took place
on 17/1/2013.
17
2013
2013 at
at Borpeta, village Nuligaon, Borpeta.
Borpeta. Then
Then well, some dispute arose
Hmm.
and
no, first tell us your husband
lordship.
or other also. Only husband or
Only
mother?
husband,
Only husband.
lordship.
Okay. So you belong to which place? Husband?
Borpeta, Nuligaon, village
Eastern
Nuligaon.
Borpeta. Okay. And the wife which place?
Residence of Goramari, Borpeta.
Goremari, Borpeta.
Marriage took place in
On 17/1/2013. Then
thereafter some dispute arose and the allegation of torture, demand of dowry, and subsequently she left the house, my lord.
left the house when?
Left the house, my lord, on 34/2014.
30
34/2014.
34/2014. Okay.
Thereafter, she used to file one after another case. 125, 498
125 file where?
in Portatam. That was disposed of. And 498, that was also disposed of.
125 Borpeta disposed of when? These are the vital issues.
Lord.
We cannot allow you to do your homework here. Homework is in the chamber,
No.
not in the court.
My lord, he informed in the evening yesterday that
That he will take time.
lordship.
Why you reach him?
In the morning hours, I have mentioned that.
Huh?
The Honorable Court has.
Okay, you
in
made a
the-
mention.
yes.
Tell us that. Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent, the methods that you just have those
Lordship.
sequences.
Okay.
Now, first question will be, all these facts will come, but that will not be related to a jurisdiction. Second issue is 181 subsection 4,
Okay.
so far related to 406. Now,
That was
what are her statement in the
200.
complaint regarding filing the case in Guwahati, the region or anything? What are those statements you want? Okay. And in the meantime, we are delivering a judgment tomorrow. Take help of that. Yes, when?
Immediately after vacation,
Immediately after vacation, as agreed to by the learned council. On the prayer of the learned council for the respondent, let this matter be listed on
7.
8,
Can
seven,
be 7.
7, I have fixed many other, 8, 11. Wait. Yes,
My lord.
Mr. Boruya,
My lord, one technical problem is there, my lord.
what is
And
the technical?
that I'm coming, my lord, because once your lordship has appeared in bail matter of the petitioner.
Oh, then,
My lord, only one thing, my lord. Since lordship is not taking, my lord, tomorrow is the date fixed in trial court, my lord. Lordship only observe, my lord, we may be
Difficult.
permitted to take action.
Difficult, difficult. I cannot touch anything.
Others,
I appeared for whom?
respondent number 2.
Earlier?
Here. Pune appeared.
Tell us. Huh?
Just I'll making here. Oh, lordship can take up, my lord, because, my lord, the charge sheet was filed basing on a bail petition, which is no relevancy with us, my lord, that your lordship has appeared.
No. Let me not be involved in those. Remotely, there are some connections.
Yes.
Remotely, there is a.
Yes.
Why should I?
My
take
lord,
up?
only one thing, my lord, lordship fix the matter tomorrow, my lord. Any before the.
No, we are not saying anything. Please, before any other bench without me,
Tomorrow. Because
not tomorrow. Musumi. Huh? All the bench that it will be listed tomorrow.
that
Is the it order to recording. Call them that since I cannot take up, there are some urgent requests.
that will.
Why in the orders column this matter is listed? Hearing or what? Huh? Non appears to have prisoner solved. Please stop the vacation. Why this matter is listed? The appeal has already been admitted and the office note dated 28 to 2018 reflects that LCR has already been received. Accordingly, matter be listed for hearing the part 2. Is in a jail or what? How many days? Item number? That's 62. 62, na? So what is the total conviction? Who is your senior?
SPK.
What is the conviction? You should at least go through the brief, you learn something. The lawyer's job is not to say that senior is on legs. At least you must know. Yes, Kyle, what is this?
Lordship, in this case, he was convicted for 10 years.
It's
No.
already 6 years gone. Pity
No,
who
no,
is
8.5 years.
8.5 years gone,
Now he's seeking bail.
but nobody is there. But bail is not listed. The what is listed is may appeal.
Lordship, he heard the appeal on merit. Lordship.
How you can hear the merit and appeal?
Otherwise, Lord, under section 32A.
Mr. Bora was here a few minutes back.
No, Lordship, here,
He might, he's a senior
one-
advocate.
no, Talukdar is appearing in this.
SK Talukdar.
No.
His name is shown. Okay.
Probably in the
None
meantime-
appears for the petitioner and call. Lose this matter for hearing on after vacation.
Hopefully by that time, he'll entire conviction will be over.
13th of November.
Much.
Though Mr. Kyle representing the respondent, is custom is present. Yes, state of Assam.
Lordship, I believe the order has already been. For the
The order
has already been
has already been.
sometime. The order that was passed by the JMFC in Bhopal.
So
is
nothing survived. You are
Lordship,
for state
I'm
or
for the response.
huh?
I am present here.
now what do you say state?
By the-
Oh, this is for compliance.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. That matter. Okay. This matter is listed today for compliance for listed for the listed as per direction that as per the direction passed in judgment and order oral dated 21/9/2023, that is for submission of compliance report. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that the order passed by this court as well as by the JMFC
in Bhopal PS case number
JMFC Boko in Boko PS case number
457 of 2022.
457 of
2022.
2025 has already been complied accordingly. It is already disposed of.
Yes, my lord. But lord,
Come on. Accordingly, nothing survived in this.
obligement.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
This is an application for cancellation of anticipatory bail.
cancellation of anticipatory bail. What are the grounds?
And ground tempering evidence.
What kind of tempering evidence?
Tempering evidence.
Yes, who is the accused?
My lord, for the respond number 2 to 8.
You
Uh,
appear.
Yes, my lord.
You
I
want
was
to
the-
file anything?
No, my lord, not file, but it is charge sheeted. The case has already been charge sheeted on my lord. This is the charge sheet
Then
on my lord 28.
now
2022.
cancelling bail, what will happen?
This is the copy of charge sheet.
Can you put
And
him
out of-
behind bar now?
Out of then only my lord 2, 3, 4, and 7 are charge sheeted. Others are out of 8 not charge sheeted.
You are on bail. You withdraw this application. If the during trial, instead of getting some observation from this court,
Yes.
if during trial, he try to influence or hamper or temper, then you go to the court. It is a better option. Whatever we'll say now, then nobody will touch it. Yes, tell us what to do.
No other option, my lord. Already charge
Learned
sheet is what
counsel
to
for
do.
the petitioner submits that as
Already
the
charge
charge
sheet
sheet
is
has already been filed, as a charge sheet already been filed, he will not praise the present application. However, he seeks an liberty that in the event the petition in the event the accused person tries to hamper or tampers with the evidence, he may be granted a liberty to approach the trial court. Full stop. The prayer for withdrawal is allowed, and it is needless to say that an aggrieved person shall always be at liberty
Yes.
seeking a cancellation of bail in the event it is in the event the accused person violates the conditions. Okay, full stop. Accordingly, the present application stands closed on withdrawal. With the aforesaid observation. You do when if suppose they disturb you.
Already charge sheet.
There is a land dispute. Out of that, my lord, this case.
Maybe.
Obliged, lordship.
Yes, delay,
Wait, please, yes, lordship.
delay.
My lord, delay is there, my lord.
How many days delay?
21 days, my lord.
Huh?
21 days, my
Will issue notice?
lord.
And who is the respondent?
Respondent, my lord, wife, my lord.
Okay. Notice returnable after 6 weeks. Steps voted.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Sama.
My lord, substitution petition.
Substitution of legal years.
Original type.
Origin. What was the revision petition about?
Revision petition challenging the order passed by the executive magistrate. That was kept.
145.
on that.
Who died?
Sole petition.
Okay. The present application is filed for the substitution of legal years of the petitioner, namely Afzal Hussain, who expired on 13/5/2023. The connected revision what is connected criminal petition 339/2022 arises out of an order passed by the executive magistrate in exercise of power under section 145.
Right.
145. Accordingly, accordingly, the present application stands allowed. Full stop. And stands allowed by substituting the where is the page?
Page 4, my
Substituting substituting the legal years of late Afzal Hussain as petitioner, which are reflected at page 4 of the present petition.
Right.
Registry to correct the cause title accordingly. I stands for.
obliged. May I please help?
Yes.
Quashing the FIR, your lordship, dated 18/10/2021. This 13-year has been registered under 376 DA, your lordship. I'm the accused number 1 here.
Yes, you are for whom?
For prosecution.
Prosecution. Anything? Any case diary?
No, case diary is there, your lordship. Last official case diary is there.
Huh?
Last official case diary was there.
Give some time to check in the office.
some other date.
Lordship, they're long from 2023, your lordship.
From reading of the affair as a whole, prima facie cases are made out. This revision petition stands dismissed. In the case of Niharika, the Supreme Court, Honorable Apex Court has said, do you want that order or you
No,
want
no,
to go
no,
through the
Lordship.
city?
I'm on merit here.
It will take 2 minutes. Specific allegation. Why should you stall the investigation?
For the-
Let the investigation, they may give you a final report also.
Lordship, informant is not a brother, your lordship. Here it is said that he is sister, your lordship. There is
Can you
some-
determine factual? Look to the city.
Lordship.
Where is the
The city right now is not available. We need some
Okay.
time to find out.
okay?
Yeah.
The case diary was called case diary in case diary of Boko PS case number 892/2021 was closed by or called by 20 called by this court under its order dated 23/9/2022. Subsequently, further time was granted on 16/6/2023. Full stop. Thereafter, the measure was adjourned on last 2 occasions. The learned additional public prosecutor submits that he may be granted 2 weeks time to obtain the case diary. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. Please this method immediately after case.
Public.
Immediately. Is a minor allegation is a minor.
Alleging he is the minor, but my information is that he got married, your lordship,
Married
In
to who?
2002
Married with whom?
with someone else. If 2022, she was below 14 year old. How she
We'll see,
got
we'll-
18 year old?
And those are not the ground. If you
And
do
my,
something, have video recording, all these if materials are there.
these are other information, other.
We'll see,
equipment.
we'll see.
And my
Le-
information is that CD is available here. Last occasion, it was left out, CD was there. And my learned people,
If your learned friend is,
he was not there.
okay,
Last occasion.
so when you have it,
But we'll
you,
make the query
you look into
Yes,
it,
yes, yes, Lord.
and if it is there, make a mention.
Lord.
Make a mention, we'll fix it
Lord.
even on mention.
Lord.
Just but remind us the matter was fixed on the ground that because CD was not available. CD is available, make a mention, we'll call it. Yes.
Lord.
Next.
Lordship, in this matter also, we have not received the CD, Lordship.
CD, you have the CD. This was a case
Lordship.
of a police atrocities.
Lord.
And basic ground is that it's a law after very, very long, how many years?
More than three years, the information was given,
Given.
and after 8 years, the searches were filed.
And there may be some questions of other questions. So we want to see the CD.
Lord, and your honor, please call for the LCR also for the to see the record of cognizance.
Okay.
Cognizance.
Come on. The case diary. The case diary called for is not received. Full stop. The learned addition, comma. The registry to requisition the scan copies of the case diary in case diary of Paulson Bazar PS case number 3
412/2017.
or mistake. So call for the Paulson Bazar PS case
Case number 412/2017.
412/2017 registered under section
Section 384.
384 IPC. Tripura IPC. And also the scanned copies of the proceeding, including the order of cognizance in connection with PRC case number 2374 of 2021 pending before the court of JMFC Kamrup Metro. Full stop. List this matter on before brief vacation of the activity.
Lordship, there is no interim order.
That's why we are giving a short date. 19th
19th.
of October. Interim.
You are 19th of October. We are already pre-occupied in a special judge court. Your Lordship.
Okay, then give a date.
After vacation, Your Lordship. After vacation, any date.
After vacation.
After vacation, any date.
Immediately after.
Please pay a date, please.
10,
11.
10, 11.
Apply. Your Lordship. Highly apply.
Lordship, please, your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is on legs in some other court. Only the matter may be taken after some time, Lordship.
What? Methods are listed. No, I understand, but how many years conviction?
7 years.
7 years. Under section
6 of October.
6 of October.
Imprisoned for a period of 10 years, Lordship. Rigorous.
Ali of
Approved.
my lord, I am sorry, my lord. Item number 48, my lord. I was not here on call, my lord.
Hmm.
So, my lord, my presence may be shown, my lord, and my lord, the city may be.
How can you say your presence? The
My lord, I was
Peter
not.
is live stream. You are not present.
My lord,
That will be
I am
telling
sorry, my
lie.
lord. I was
Telling a lie that you are present.
No, my lord, I was not there. On
It
call.
was not there.
No,
It is live streamed. Now I will have to record the wrong fact that you were present. How the whole world will look into it. Otherwise, I could have. This is a live streaming. What item number?
item number 48.
What was that? Regarding bail or what?
My lord, prepare here. City was not there. City is
It was
not there.
not- Okay,
City may be called from.
yes.
Published.
Okay. We'll come back at 2. We'll hear this matter. 15 or 17 October
October. 17.
17. Hey, order. Hey, that you took that. Not, huh? 67.
Record may be called the city is available. Otherwise, then
Look it up. The learned additional public prosecutor has submitted that case diary call for is available. However, she needs some time to go to the assembly.
Lord.
Accordingly, prayer is allowed. Please this matter on
17 period.
70.
10. Okay.
hello.
Yes. Paper bukan? Itu sudah right? Yes, Mr. Teka.
It's not six of the
Box 2.
it was originally registered under the IPC 76. And it has come because of this act has come, so this has come. So this is the story of the case is like this, my lord. That then the where it is PW1. It is PW1.
PW?
PW4, my lord.
PW4.
That Mahaprasad Sharma.
Mahaprasad Sharma.
Yeah. My lord. He's a teacher, businessman, etc. of a place in Sukia. So he's having a car, and the car driver was the PW. Car driver was the number.
PW.
He's the accused.
PW4 is the accused.
No, my lord.
No. PW
PW4 is the as per this complaint.
is the informant.
Informant. And yeah, and the other is Surja Upadhyay. In this particular case, he is the accused. Because he was the driver of
Mahaprasad.
Mahaprasad.
Okay. So, driver of Mahaprasad.
Driver of Mahaprasad. Driver was
Just a minute.
driver to take it.
Okay. Yes.
That driver, he used to drive his vehicle and he used to take that Mahaprasad. He started as he's a teacher also and he's having business also in place Tinsukia. And as stated over here, that Mahaprasad was a drunkard. Most of the time he's under the influence of liquor. And this driver is also accompanied him at the instance of the, because that is everything is there hereditary. The story is like this. So Mahaprasad kept the girls of the tea garden community as his adopted daughter.
Hmm.
Her age is about 12 to 14 as per the statement.
Hmm.
So they used to, and Mahaprasad is a married man and residing, and Surja also resided by his side. So what happened, my lord? In a particular day, that Mahaprasad wife, she is from Kashpur area. So she left her house because of some other thing, came to the Tezpur. On that day, house was alone. And that they're having two or three rooms. So in the evening, this girl, that is, what is it? Her name is Junmani, my lord. Very good. Junmani,
Hey, you close it. What
In the
before
meantime,
vacation will be?
I will file bail application. Anticipated bail, if possible, Lord.
After vacation,
After vacation,
vehicle,
Lordship.
your life is at stake
Yes, Lord.
and you want your vehicle.
No, Lordship,
Huh?
because I have purchased the same vehicle on installment basis, Lord, from EMI.
We understand, but to run the vehicle, run the vehicle, you must be available. You have to manage the vehicle.
Yes, Lord.
On the prayer of the learned council for the petitioner, list this matter after vacation
On 9th of
On-
November.
on 9th of November 2023. Case diary be returned back and again be called on 9th. Again be produced on 9th.
Apply.
মোশন তো দিয়েছে। Yes, motion BA time being what happened?
Lordship,
366A.
Lordship, take it up.
Ha.
Whether the card was recovered.
Ah.
Lordship, we have already taken the instruction, the girl is recovered
Okay, girl is recovered.
Yes.
One is 19, one is 21.
and already CS has been filed.
CS5.
Yes.
Okay, file a bail application. No way out. At this young age, why should you do all this? Her consent is no consent. She is 9, she is 18
18.
and you are 21. Here also just cross. These are emotional.
Yes, the Lordship.
Okay, go dear, come back if not granted. The learned counsel for the learned additional public prosecutor submits that the victim girl has already been recovered and the police has, the investigating authority has also filed charge sheet being
Search number is not available.
not, all has already been filed charge sheet. Accordingly, the present bail application stands closed with a liberty to the petitioner to approach the trial court. We'll say trial court.
Yes.
Approach the trial court for regular bail. And in the event of filing such application,
They will
the same may be considered
In accordance
by the learned trial court in accordance with.
Okay.
Yes,
May I please, Your
what
Lordship?
happened to Ankur Dutta?
Lordship, this is an allegation under section 380, whereby I was convicted for imprisonment of 3 years, Lordship. Now, Lordship, before I go into the matter, Lordship, I just want to make a small
3
prayer
years, 3 years for what open?
for under section 380, Lord.
380.
380.
What is 380?
Theft, Lordship, with regard to one bag which was allegedly stated to be stolen by me.
Any IA?
Yes, Your Lordship, there are actually 2 IAs. One, that's what I wanted to place to Lordship, that there was a small mistake in the name of the respondent number 2. So I had filed an IA with regard to for collection of the same. But the
You are
same,
on bail or what?
no, Lordship, I'm still on behind bars. 2 years, 30 days already over. So, Lordship, my humble prayer was if your Lordship may consider the bail.
So case is bad.
No, Lordship, you have a very good case, Lordship, you are right. Because, Lordship, there are a few factors, like when the consideration under section 114 of the evidence was taken, what was not taken into consideration was that a Caesar witness test had themselves contradicted that they did not see in the seizure of the articles.
What is the allegation basically?
Your Lordship, both the appellant and another informant's son, they came from Bangalore to Guwahati to
Hmm.
their house. So in the meantime, what is alleged that the appellant gave some intoxicants to the informant's son, and later on when he woke up, he found himself lying in the train tracks. Now, initially, Lordship, the case was charged treated under two sections, that is 380 and 328 and 323 of the IPC.
What is the IA for bail?
Yes, Your Lordship. The IA it will be 771 of the 23, Lordship.
3 years, no bail granted. When have you filed this?
Lordship, this was filed the year 2023.
No. Yes, madam, we are allowed.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Lordship.
This is an application under section 389 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for suspension of sentence and release for release of the applicant on bail during pendency of the connected criminal appeal file assailing judgment and order dated 15/9/2021 passed by the learned additional district and session judge number 1 Kamrup Metro Assam in session case number 118/2016 whereby the present applicant was convicted and convicted under section
380 of that.
380 and was sentenced to undergo
Vigorous
All right, for 3 years.
sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment of 3 years and to
Fine.
pay fine of rupees 3,000 and in default of payment of fine to undergo another simple simple imprisonment for another 1 month. Full stop. The petitioner is behind bar for
2 years to 30 days approximately.
more than 2 years till now and has already completed more than half of the total punishment. Considering the aforesaid fact, the present application stand announced and the petitioner be released on bail on furnishing of bail bond of rupees 20 to the satisfaction of
The learned court of Kamrup.
learned. Who passed this judgment?
Additional
Additional
district
district
judge
and
number
session judge.
One,
In this
Number one,
district and
Kamrup
session number 1, Kamrup
Kamrup
Metro
Metro.
Assam.
highly obliged, deeply obliged.
I dispose.
Okay.
Over.